Hello everyone, in this video we will see how can we install LaTeX in the Windows laptop. To install LaTeX we have to download two software, that is Latex, which is the base software. So we will first install the LaTeX. This is the website of LaTeX and I will select the suitable version according to the requirement of my system. Be careful here, you should select the version which is suitable for your system. For example, my system is 32-bit, so I will not download the 64 version here, and I will have to download the 32-bit version of the LaTeX. So I will go here and download the 32-bit version of the base software. So I am clicking on it and the download has started. Now we have to download another software, that is TechMaker. Okay, so this is the website. Here also select the version according to the suitability of your system. Since my system is 32-bit, I will download the 32-bit version of the software, and here is it. Now it's 64-bit. So this is the right version. The download has started. Now we have to keep one thing in mind, that the base software, that is MikTeX, should be installed first, and then we have to install the TechMaker. If you will install the TechMaker first, then it will not work properly. So be careful about it. So this is downloaded, both the software has been downloaded, and now we have to install it. So first we will install the base software. So this is opening. So click on, you can read this stuff if you want, and then proceed according to the instructions. Okay, here you can select the and proceed next. Okay, if you want, you can read this stuff and then click on next. You can see the installation has started. It will take some time. Let's wait for it. Okay, we are done now. The installation has completed, and click on next. You can see that installation is finished, and now we have to click on next and close the installation window. Close this window. the base software has been downloaded, and now we have to download the TechMaker. The TechMaker is the software that is we use to write something. The base software is something like, you can say that it helps in running the TechMaker. That is why we need to install the base software MikTech first, and then we have to install the TechMaker. You can see that the installation has started, and it is very light software. It will install easily, and now the both the software has been installed. You can see that the shortcut appears like this. I'm opening it. It's taking some time. Okay, so the interface appears like this. You can explore it. There are many functions, and it is one of the best software to typeset. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.